ये रोज कल मुबारक सुबहान मैयरानी.
Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam.
And you are?
Nasiruddin.
And what's your role here at Jalsa Salana?
My role is to serve the guests that are arriving in Batufatu and Masjid Fazl. We look after their accommodation and their transport to Hadiq al-Mahdi and also to Islamabad and also their lunch and dinner and breakfast.
And why is today a special day?
Jummah has subs here, so it's very special for us.
Excellent.
And, Hazur is normally the Jummah before Jalsa Salana. He addresses everyone, and there's always some opportunity for Hazur to give us some guidance, and we look forward to that.
Lovely. And anything new for Jalsa or a message to our guests?
The message to our guests is please do come. Obviously, there's security, so bring your come early, register early. And the message, what's new is that we have a very new center called, we have Masjid Mubarak in Islamabad, and we urge all our guests to do come early and do pay a visit to Islamabad as well.
Jazakallah.
ये रोज कल मुबारक सुबहान मैयरानी.